Hi, everybody. Now we are going to see using loops with arrays. Okay, so let me share my screen. This is going to be a very quick example that I'm going to show to you. So imagine that you receive a variable that it's called fruits, and it was defined as an array, okay, with the name of some fruits here. I'm using only 3, so you can see how you can use the loop that we have learned with an array. Now, suppose that I want to show on a web page a list of the fruits that I have in my store. And I received that array from a program that ran in my database and sent that array to me. Okay, so now I'm going to use that array in my JavaScript code to show in my HTML web page the list of the fruits I received. So I don't know exactly how many fruits are going to be listed there, how many elements are going to come in that array. So one of the properties that is going to be very useful in doing that is the length property. Currently, with the variable fruits, the way that it was defined here, as you can see, if I use fruits length, it's gonna return to me 3. So the length property means how many items you have inside the array, okay? Now, the thing is, remember that the position starts in 0. So I have position 0, position 1, position 2, and the length is 3. So in order to do the loop, I'm going to have to use that length. Look how I'm going, it is possible to loop over an array. I'm going to use the for statement. I could have used the while, I could have used the do while, I could have used the for of, all of those statements, loop statements that we have studied. So I'm going to use for, I'm going to create a counter that I decided to call I. Okay, so I'll start in 0 because the position starts in 0 of the array. Now, I want to do that loop while, right, for the time that this value of I is less than the length of the array. So fruits dot length. And every time the loop is done, I need to add 1, okay, to that I. So now, if I put console log, I'm just going to show in the console, just to make this be a very simple example. So look how I am building the console log. So every time the loop starts, okay, and while I'm doing the loop, I'm going to go to that fruits variable, that it's the array, and I'm going to grab and show on the console, in this case, the value of that position. So it starts with 0. So the first value that is going to be shown is orange. Then the loop will add 1 to I. So the I on the next step is going to be 1. So the position 1 in fruits, it's going to show banana. Then it's going to go more because 1, it's still less than 3. which is the fruit's length. So 1 is going to be now 2. So the position 2 is going to be showing apple. Now, when it adds 1 to 2, it's going to go to 3, the value of I, and my loop will stop because 3 is equal to the fruit's length. It's not less than the length of the array fruits. So if I press enter here, you're going to see that it shows orange, then banana, then apple. So that's the way you can loop. You can use the loop that you learned for an array. Okay, it's a very simple but very powerful example. So I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to end this short video. Hope you liked it.